Oh my gosh, I am so excited. So in the video before this one, I showed you how I was able to pick up a bunch of these paper perks and use them in transactions. And I told you that everything went super well today. I'm so excited to see that we are actually getting our PNG, oops, upside down, our PNG registered rewards printing. So at the beginning of the day, I was like, okay, let's see if they're rolling. I'm not sure what's going on, but they are rolling. Oh my gosh, they're rolling. Not just that, we were like scared, like if you use it to one transaction of spend 45, get $15 back in one of these. This is the one that I got, get 15 back. um I heard rumor that you cannot do another 45 transaction, use that one and still get a $15 printed back, but it did print out for me. Yes, it did. So I'm super excited. I have, apart from the video I just posted a moment ago and this one, I have about 3 more videos to show you. I'm going to go in the exact order that I did my transactions. So I'm going to go receipt by receipt. I'm going to post a video for each of those transactions that I did, not to make it super long for one of them. So don't forget to like and follow so you can continue to get notified when I continue to post those videos and those offers. There are so many participating items. I just want to get started with you guys. So the first transaction was one of my best ones. I had not much going into this transaction, and you're going to see on my receipt. I used one of the perks that I got from printing those pictures that I showed you on the last video, gave you promo code, everything. So just like check everything out. Okay, so let's get into this. The first thing I picked up was one of these kits, you can say, with the refills. It's at $14.99 and it has $8 off a digital coupon. Then I picked up the refills for it for $19.99 with $10 off a digital coupon. So you already getting we're already getting such high value coupons for these things. I'm like super excited about that. And then I picked up 2 of these men Head and Shoulders. They are at $6 each one for a total of $12. And then there's a $3 digital coupon that for this one. So for this, you're gonna also get back $3 in a register reward. So take off 3 in a digital coupon, get back 3 in a register reward. And for purchasing both of these, apart from those high value digital coupons that total $18 for both of them, on top of that, for getting both of these items, I got a $8 register reward back. Then for putting those 4 things together, the 2 hair cares and these 2 items, that's sort of 4 items, I got back the $15, the one that I just showed you. To spend $45 in participating PNG items and get $15 back. So this one I'm showing you because it's the last one that I had left. But again, I went in order and I'm showing these videos in the order that I did the transactions so that it's better for you to understand it. Okay, here's my receipt. Everything that I just mentioned is here. Everything went great. The prices came out, oh, sorry, like this. The prices came out well. All my digital coupons came off. I had 2 registered rewards from prior purchases. That the only thing I had to start this with was one of those paper perks, and then I had like 2 registered rewards totaling $5. Okay, so that's not that much. So I did get back my $5 in points, and you can see my $5 in points. Plus, I got back the $3 for the Head and Shoulders, as I mentioned, the $8 for the 2 of these products, and the $15 PNG. That was such a great deal, okay? All right, so here's the breakdown. I paid $14.99 plus $19.99. And then we had the $12 of the Head and Shoulders. So my total was at $46.98 for all the products. So I was great for that PNG of spend 45 and get back 15. Then you take away $10 for one of the shave products, $8 for the other one, and $3 for the hair care. $25.98 was what I had to pay out of pocket, but then I was getting back $8 in a registered reward for the Gillette stuff, and then I was getting $3 back for the hair care and the $15 for the PNG. So at the end, I paid nothing for these things, only the taxes. So go get yours, and don't forget to like and follow for more videos. Until the next one, and don't forget to smile.